Tip 4, making the most of flat light, overcast skies and open shade. I live in England. We get a lot of flat light. We're experts in it. Overcast skies, yep, I know all about them. I spend far too much time taking photos in them, but I don't get a choice. I'll come on to that. So what do you do on those days when the light isn't golden, you haven't got blue hour, it's cloudy, the light's rubbish? Many photographers see a cloudy day and think, rubbish light, can't be bothered. But an overcast sky, it's actually a fantastic gift of a different type. See, the overcast sky acts like a giant natural softbox, and it's diffusing the sunlight evenly across the entire scene. This creates soft, directionless light that's fantastic for a multitude of subjects. Portraits benefit from even skin tones and reduced harsh shadows. Macro photography reveals intricate details without distracting highlights, and product photography looks clean and professional. It's incredibly forgiving light, making it ideal for beginners who are still learning to manage exposure. Similarly, open shade, like under a large tree, under an awning, a porch, the shadow of a building. These provide beautifully soft, even light, protecting your subject from direct harsh sun and creating natural, flattering illumination. So don't dismiss these light conditions as boring. They offer a different kind of beauty and are often preferred by many photographers for their ability to reveal subtle details and accurate colours without the distractions of strong highlights and shadows. So embrace the clouds and the shade, dear listener. They're giving you a giant free softbox. You just need to think about what you're taking photos of if it's not sunny. Back to the thinking, aren't we?